Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video I will show you how to add your users folder or your home folder to the Finder sidebar on Mac. This folder with your username inside the users folder is called your home folder, and it's one of the most useful folders on your Mac because it contains your desktop, downloads, documents, movies, music and whatnot. By adding it to the Finder sidebar, you can access all of your important folders from one place instead of jumping around Finder every time. So let me show you how to add it. First thing first, your Finder should be activated. If it's not activated, then click on this icon to open Finder. Now look at the top menu bar and click Finder. Then choose Settings. Inside Finder Settings, click the Sidebar tab. Under the favorite section, look for your username. It may appear as your account name or home folder. Here is mine. Simply check the box next to it. As soon as you do that, you will see your home folder appear in the Finder sidebar. Now you can click it at any time to access all of your personal folders in one place. Now I'll tell you another method to add your home folder to the Finder sidebar. Simply press Shift Command and H. This shortcut instantly opens your home folder. Click on this icon to display contents in the form of columns. You are going to find your home folder under Users. Now click and drag the folders icon into the Finder sidebar under Favorites. Release the trackpad and the home folder will stay there permanently. This is actually the method many power users prefer because it works regardless of your Finder settings. And if you ever want to remove it from the sidebar, simply right click the home folder in the sidebar and then choose remove from sidebar. There you go, it's gone. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.